Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command, type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command, cd space c:/. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command, md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c:/boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.